Hi everyone, Jeff Thompson here from Thompson Air Balloon Rides with Expert Village. Well, we're getting ready to go fly this morning. There are several steps we've got to take to get the balloon prepared for flight. Assembling the aircraft is the first step. Number one, we've got to put the burners on the balloon. So we lay our basket down on its side so that we can get to the position where the burners are going to be mounted. We slide the burners into the slots that are mounted and lock the locking pins in place. And when we're done with that, the balloon balloon burners are secure. Then we're going to remove the covers, and you'll see the most beautiful set of shiny burners underneath that bag. Once the burners have been mounted, then we've got to hook the envelope or the fabric part of the balloon to the basket. You'll see us do that here shortly. Ah, there's our nice shiny burners.
La burners.
Next, we're going to take the envelope, the fabric part of our balloon, open up the throat, or what we call the mouth of the balloon, and find the suspension lines. These are the steel cables that attach the fabric part of the balloon to the basket. Now, once the envelope, the fabric part of the balloon, is secured to the basket, then our ground crew can take the bag and lay the bag out on the ground, laying the entire balloon out in the field. Once that envelope is laid out, then it's time to start the fan. That'll be our next segment.